Assalamu alaikum students. This is the subject of art and design semester 1 BS1. In last lecture we have discussed the principles of design. Today I am going to show you different pictures that will relate to the principles of art. Our first principle was harmony. In this picture you can see a room in which different plantation has been done. Each and every planter window shape, you can see a lamp, a side table, a center table, then a part of main sofa. All are in almost same shape, same color, same texture or related texture, you can say. So we can see harmony in this picture, which means that each and every object which we are seeing in this picture is related with one another. Now we will see proportion. Here you can see proportion. It is another picture in which the plant arrangement of a lobby or porch has been shown. You can see different types of plants being planted in different size of pots, but all seems to be related with one another. At the same time, the green color of plants with branches and bushes, and including the color of the pot as well as the color of the tiles, that are in resemblance with one another, which is a beautiful example of proportion. Now here is another picture in which you can see balance. The balance is that all objects are in connection with one another, and in this picture you can see especially the informal balance. The plant pots on the both side of TV trolley and VCR trolley are of different number and of different sizes, but they seems to be beautiful, and there is no deficiency in their beauty. Now here is another example of radial balance. This plant pot with the stand and the motifs in the door all have some rounded effect which represent us the radial balance. Now you can see the formal balance. In this picture, the crockery being set for eating purpose is of same size, same shape, same plate, same knives are arranged on the both ends, on the right side and as well as on the left side. Then there is the other principle, which is rhythm. Now see, in this picture all arrangement that is being done included as interior arrangement is in connection with one another. The repetition of the same color, almost the same shape and different sizes has created rhythm in our picture. Now see, here is another example of emphasis. The wall behind the bathtub as well as the flower pot being hanged on the top of the bathtub is the emphasizing area of this arrangement. If we will see on this side, then we can see that the basin which is being placed on the side of the commode is the emphasizing area, center of interest in this arrangement. So we can see different center of interest or area in an arrangement which can be emphasized, including one main area. The picture which we can see is on is dependent on two consists of two walls in which the plant being hanged on the top of the bathtub is the main center of interest or emphasizing point of these two walls, as well as both walls have their own center of interest. Now I think that with the help of these pictures you students will be able to understand these principles and you will be able to apply them in their real practical life. Thank you students.